Hi guys, welcome back to Natural and Glamorous. If you're new around here, my name is Jamie and I talk about natural wellness, natural beauty, and natural lifestyle on this channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how easy it is to make your own foaming hand soap. You literally need 3 ingredients. It takes 5 minutes of your time and it will last months and months and months. I have 3 really good reasons why you should be making your own hand soap at home. The first one is that it is so easy and so simple to do, which I will show you in just a few minutes. The second one is that you get to scent your hand soaps with whatever scent you're in the mood for. And the third reason why you absolutely need your own hand soap is because all the hand soaps that you buy at the grocery store are scented with artificial fragrance, which is harmful for you and your family. So a few facts that you should know before we get started about your store-bought artificially scented hand soaps is that in 1970, Congress actually passed the law allowing and grandfathering in over 2,000 chemicals that had never been tested for safety before. Those chemicals are still allowed to be used in our products, in our personal care products, in our cleaners. Environmental Working Group, the EWG, which has an amazing app called EWG's Healthy Families. You can download it to your smartphone and you can scan in all of your current products to see how they're rated for safety. This Environmental Working Group has actually found that 75% of all products with the ingredient fragrance have contained phthalates. So researchers at the EWG found that phthalates inside of these fragrances found in our products have actually been shown to disrupt hormone activity, to cause reproductive malformation. They are linked to liver and breast cancer, diabetes, obesity. Companies can actually scent their products with fragrance and not list what the fragrance is made of. Unfortunately, if you watch the documentary Stink, it is a really great movie found on Netflix, you will learn that all of these chemicals that are being hidden under the term fragrance are actually manufactured ingredients that were made in factories as opposed to natural scents that are grown on flowers in fields. So how do you avoid fragrance or artificial scents in your products? One of the super easy ways is to make your own products. And I know that sounds overwhelming and it sounds like it's a lot to add to your plate. And I totally get you because I have so many things that I now make at home. One of them being DIY foaming hand soap that I would have never touched before in a million years when my son was 2 or 3 and I was just learning about all of this stuff. It just seemed like a big project to take on. But luckily for you, I make tutorials every single week and show you how to make your own products or a little quick tutorial on how to replace something so simply and so easily and avoid the risk that you have when you purchase products bought in the store made with synthetic fragrance. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to make your own foaming hand soap. Then I'm going to bring you into the kitchen and we're going to make it in less than 30 seconds. So the first thing that you need is a foaming hand soap bottle. I got this glass bottle off of Amazon. It was maybe $15. You can also, if you're a member of Young Living, their products are already infused with essential oils and not synthetic fragrance, so that is a great option if you're not a DIYer. But I always recommend to people that have their discount, to have their membership, that they grab a bottle of the foaming hand soap, which you can get in Thieves Blend or Lavender with the foaming dispenser already. And when the first hand soap runs out, you can just refill it with a few oils and one other ingredient. So you're also going to need unscented Castile soap. Castile soap is a super natural ingredient as long as you're not getting a scented version of it. The scented versions, unfortunately, are scented with artificial fragrance, which we now know is just another term for chemicals that we do not want on or around our body. You're also going to need some essential oils so that you can naturally scent your hand soaps. So we are big fans of Young Living essential oils. I have a video that I will link below all about why we chose Young Living and why we only trust Young Living oils are distilled properly to get therapeutic benefits and do not have any chemicals hidden inside of them. For this video, I'm going to be using Thieves essential oil, and then I'm going to make it a little bit more pumpkin spicy for Thanksgiving and for the fall. And I'm going to add some more cinnamon, a little bit more clove, and nutmeg. And we're going to have a little pumpkin spice hand soap. So whether you're using a foaming bottle that you are just replenishing or a glass bottle that you are filling up for the first time, you're going to fill them each with a quarter of the way up with your Castile soap. After you have filled it up a quarter of the way with Castile soap, you're simply going to add the essential oils right on top of that soap that you want to fragrance your hand soap with. So I'm going to do 10 drops of Thieves and 5 drops of the spices that are already the Thieves, but I just want to enhance a little bit more to give it really that pumpkin pie spice blend. So I typically do 20 to 30 drops of essential oil right on top of my Castile soap. After you add the essential oils, you're just going to fill the rest of it with water. And that's it. Close up the bottle, give it a little shake, and you are ready with a naturally fragrant, super healthy, non-harming hand soap that will last you months until you have to think about it again. So I hope that you guys found this video so helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or are looking for essential oil recommendations for your hand soap. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get a notification whenever a video is posted so you never miss a video again. I will see you guys next week with some more natural wellness, lifestyle, and beauty tips.
But once in a while I feel like, ooh, I just wanna dance.